Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Info Girl, and today we're diving into a topic that resonates with many aspiring entrepreneurs and small business owners. How to get approved for a PayPal business loan. Now, I've done my research and I'm super excited to share with you everything that I have learned. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So I get it. Growing a business can be a thrilling journey, but let's be honest, it often feels like a step of mountains to climb. Now, one of the most significant challenges entrepreneurs face is funding. So, whether you need to purchase inventory, manage cash flow, or pay for unexpected expenses, having access to quick and flexible funding can make all the difference. Now, that's where the PayPal business loan comes into place. First, let me explain what exactly is a PayPal business loan. Now, it is a financial option designed specifically for business owners that use PayPal for their transactions. So, whether you run an online shop or a cozy local cafe shop, if you have a PayPal business account, you may be eligible. Now, PayPal offers both fixed term loans and working capital loans, catering to different business needs. But here's the kicker, while getting approved for any loan can be daunting, especially for small business owners, understanding the application process for the PayPal business loan can ease that stress. Now, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down to you step by step on how to improve your chances to be able to be approved for the PayPal business loan. Now, before diving in head first into the application process, make sure that you meet the PayPal's eligibility criteria. Generally, you'll need to be a PayPal business account holder and in good standing, and your account should have received at least $33,000 in revenue over the past 9 months, and you must also be in business for at least 9 months. Now, this showcases that your business is active and has a consistent cash flow. Now, if you are new to PayPal or your sales are a bit below, do not freak out because there are other options for business funding. Now, as you guys can see here, PayPal does offer two different kind of business fundings. Okay, so the one that we are speaking about today in this video is the PayPal business loan. As you guys can see, they do have a loan amount from $5,000 up to $300, 300,000 for repeat borrowers. Now, again, you can check your eligibility, and if you are approved, get funding as soon as the next business day. As I did mention, 33,000, and you must be in business for at least 9 months. Now, they do require a credit check because this loan is based on a full picture of your credit. Now, the good thing about this business loan that they offer, as far as credit, they do not require a high credit score. So you can get this business loan based off of just your overall business profile and as well with other factors as well. So in order to be approved for this loan, you must have a credit score of 550 and above. Now, as you guys can see, for the PayPal working capital, you can get approved from 100 or 1,000 all the way up to 300,000. You can also get funding in minutes if you are approved. You must have a PayPal business account. You must have at least $15,000 in PayPal sales in over the last 12 months, no outstanding PayPal working capital loan. And for this one, they do not require a credit check because the loan is based on your PayPal account history, which I think is fantastic. So let's just say if you do have a bad credit score, and you know that you don't have a 580 or above in order to be approved for the business loan, but you know that you do receive $15,000 in sales in the last 12 months, you will be able to be approved for this loan. Now, for repayment, wrap it as the percentage of your PayPal sales, minimum repayment every 90 days, one fixed fee that's paid over the life of your loan. Yes. And then late fees and hidden fees, they do not have as well. So both of these loans can really be a great option when it comes to trying to determine the best funding for your business. Next, it's definitely important to determine how much money you need. So think about what this loan will help you achieve for your business. So are you looking to invest in new equipment? Do you need to booster your marketing efforts? When you pinpoint the amount you need, you will be able to better prepare yourself for the application process. Now, once you have a clear understanding of your needs, it's time to prepare for your documentation. And now, PayPal's application process is pretty straightforward, but having your financial data ready always helps. Now, if you're seeking a working capital loan, they must want to review your average sales over the past few months. If you're applying for a fixed term loan, make sure to have your revenue statement prepared. The more organized you are, the smoother the application process will be. Now we're at the point where you can finally apply. Now, the beauty of the PayPal business application process is that it's entirely online. Simply log into your PayPal account and navigate to the business loan section. Click apply now and follow the instructions provided. Now, the application should only take a few minutes to complete. Now, once your application is submitted, you will receive an offer detailing how much you can borrow and the terms of the loan. Now, I want you all to make sure that you carefully review these terms, pay attention to the repayment schedule and interest rates. Now, if anything feels unclear or it just does not seem right, don't hesitate to reach out to the PayPal customer services for clarification before agreeing to any loan agreement. Now, if everything looks amazing and you are happy with the offer and you have clear understanding of your loan accepted, then the funding is typically fast tracked and you could see the loan deposit into your PayPal account within 1 business day, if not sooner. Now, how amazing is that? Now, as we wrap up, I want to empathize that while getting a PayPal business loan can be a lifeline for your business, it's so important to elevate your repayment ability through thoroughly. Now, borrowing money is a significant responsibility and it can require a clear plan for you. So, while getting this loan, just make sure again that you are in a financial situation where you are able to make sure that you're able to pay this loan back as well. Now, I hope this video has provided you with some valuable insight and guidance on how to secure a PayPal business loan. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or other entrepreneurs who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and drop your questions or personal experiences in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.